Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi A4 B8 door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, such as a set of plastic trim removal tools to prevent scratches and a selection of Torx screwdrivers, specifically a T20. Begin by gently prying off the decorative trim piece, often found along the top or middle of the door. Work slowly from one end to the other. Once the trim is off, you will find several screws that need to be removed. Next, we'll tackle the less obvious fasteners. There are typically several screws concealed within the armrest and behind the door handle. For these, you'll generally need a T25 Torx bit. Some models may also have small plastic caps that hide additional screws, so look carefully. Removing all these screws is crucial before attempting to detach the main panel, ensuring no damage occurs during the next step. With all screws removed, it's time to release the door panel clips. Starting from the bottom edge, carefully insert your plastic trim tools and gently pry outwards. You will hear the clips pop free. It's best to use two tools to distribute the force and prevent cracking the panel. Once all the side and bottom clips are released, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to unhook it from the window well. Finally, with the door panel free, you'll need to disconnect the remaining components. First, unhook the door handle cable from its latch mechanism, which usually involves a simple release clip. Then, carefully unplug all electrical connectors for the window switches, speakers, and any other integrated lights or modules. It's a good idea to have something to rest the panel on, like a box or stand, to avoid putting stress on the delicate wiring harnesses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.